But how about yung kay Senator Risa? Anong...
Totoo yun. Baka mamaya,
So all senators...
he may not be directly, baka chief of staff niya. O pinaubaya lang niya.
Kasi tinatanggi ni Senator Risa
O
kahapon.
si Bong Revilla, tinatanggi din niya. Pero sinong nalustay? Si Cambe.
This is about the PDAF scam.
The PDAP scam. Ito, pwede niyang sabihin, pinorge akong signature ko ng staff ko or whatever. This can be possible.
Senate President Soto clarified that it is part of the budget process.
He's dumb. He doesn't know what he's talking about. Because all of that are insertions. There is no distinction.
So do you think it's illegal?
Hindi naman illegal, pero immoral. Halimbawa, ito, sinasabi ni Soto, hindi daw yan insertion. They are
Amendments.
Matter of semantics lang yan. Halimbawa, ako, congressman ako, may kailangan akong isang school building, high school, 120 million. 120 million yung hiningi ko, napasok na doon sa NEP. Pagdating sa house, pagdating ng second reading, nabulungan ako. I decided na tapyasin ko na lang yung school building na yan, palitan ko ng flood control. Amendment ba yun? Insertion pa rin yun. Because you inserted a new matter, because hindi ka na pwede magdagdag Under the law, hindi ka pwede magdagdag ng appropriation. Pwede mong ibalasa.
What if the insertion happened during the BICAM?
That's still an insertion. Ito, sinasabi niya amendment, legal daw yan. Well, legal nga, pero what is the moral mandate? Pinalitan mo yung legitimate na, alam mo kasi ang difference kasi ng amendment sa floor, sa second reading, itong pinalitan mong project, vetted na yan. May mga program of work na yan, na-inspect na yan. Tapos bigla kang tapyasin mo yon sa district mo. Tapos papalitan mo ng bagong matter like flood control. Ito, hindi pa ito na-inspect, hindi pa na ito na ano. Kasi hindi galing sa DPWH. Ikaw lang mismo ang nagpalit through your power as a congressman. Ano matatawag mo dyan? Ano ba yan? Amendment?